how to create this trending shape on Pixellab. I hope and I know that many of you have been wondering. It's been trending for some time now. So today I'll be showing you how to create this awesome trending shape using Pixellab. Okay, without wasting much of a time, let's get started. As we do, kindly subscribe to the channel. So I will delete this one, and for the background I will just use this pink gradient. Okay, so you can use another color, it doesn't matter. So you can go to a Bezier tool now. Don't panic, there is no work involved here. So once you're on your Bezier tool, click on it, then click on this second button here. Okay, then you click on this other button, click here, and now it will match. Once the Bezier matches, what you are going to do is to, because we need just the upper part of this Bezier. Okay, so I'm going to control. Look at how I'm going to control this. So it's very easy. Control. Okay, if you don't get it the first time, do it the second time. So I'm just going to rearrange this one, because this is actually the place that we need. Okay, you can go now to your stroke, reduce the stroke, and go to gradient. The color gradient should be the same like that of the background. You click on check mark. Now you're going to stretch this out to cover the entire length of your design interface. You can even enable your grid option, to just see that what you are doing is okay. So once you have that, go to inner shadow. Go to inner shadow, enable your inner shadow, give it a white color, increase it completely, and you will see the shape already coming out. Once you have that, go to your texture, and for texture I'm going to use this vector, this doodle vector here. Okay, I downloaded it on Google Chrome, so you can click OK. Go now to your erase color, enable it, and increase tolerance to 70 so that we can do away completely with the white colors. Once you have this, click on your check mark and make a duplicate of this. Okay, then first of all delete the texture in the duplicated one, as you can see here. Go also to erase color, enable it, so I will have an original one just like the one we created before. But then you are going to realign it to fall in the same position like the first one, then tap to back, send it to back. Okay, once it's to back, you are going to lock it up. Okay, then click on the first one now, the one with the texture. Okay, the upper layer, click on the upper layer, click on it, and as you click on it, go to color. You can change the color now to any color of your choice. So we can change the color back to this pink, and then we reduce the opacity, and yeah, our impact has been created. If you want to save this so that you can use it for multiple designs, let's just undo this. You can see now that our awesome trending shape has been created. If you want to save it, you can enable your background, give it transparent, save it out. So I can save this, as simple as that, and you will see how it's going to look like. And once you have that, I can go back to default, change the background to transparent, and bring it in. Let me just bring it in so you guys can see how it looks. So we can increase the size to 100, use little position. Then you now go to hue button. Depending on what you are working on, depending on the design you are working on, you can always manipulate the color, you see. So you can always manipulate the color. Helpful, right? I hope so. So yeah guys, that's how you can design this awesome trending shape using your Pixellab application. It's not just for people who have Photoshop. Also on Pixellab you can achieve this. I hope this has been helpful. I'll be seeing you in the next video, and also check the video description for a link of a flyer I did with this particular element. So watch out for that particular tutorial. it will also help to show you how we can apply these effects on designs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Until then, stay well.